In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a new payment method to your Shopify store using Google as your guide. First things first, let's navigate to Shopify's website. You'll want to fire up your preferred web browser and type in Shopify's URL, or you could simply search for Shopify login on Google. Once you're on the Shopify page, sign in with your credentials to access your store's dashboard. You should now see your Shopify account dashboard laid out in front of you. From the main dashboard, look to the lower left corner of the screen and you'll spot the settings icon. It resembles a tiny gear. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to a new menu page filled with various options that allow you to tweak and personalize different aspects of your store. Among these options, find and select the Payments section. It's here where you'll manage how customers can make purchases on your site. In the Payments section, you'll see a button that says Add Payment Method. Click on it and you'll be met with a prompt offering several choices. Look for an option that mentions Search by Provider. Selecting this will open up a search field. In this field, type in Tap Payments. Now, seeing the name pop up in the list, you'll want to give it a click. Shopify will now prepare to integrate this new payment provider into your store, giving your customers a new method for completing their transactions. With these steps complete, you're good to go. You've successfully added a new payment method to your Shopify store, expanding the range of options available to your customers. This not only enhances their shopping experience, but also potentially increases your sales reach. Keep in mind that having multiple payment methods is advantageous as it caters to a wider audience, accommodating different preferences and possibly attracting new customers who favor the newly added method. Integrating additional payment methods such as tap payments can offer a more inclusive experience for your customers, particularly if you're targeting regions or demographics that prefer specific payment options. It's a straightforward process, as we've just walked through, that can have substantial benefits for your business. If you encounter any issues during this setup, Shopify's support resources or reaching out to Tap Payments directly could provide further assistance. Now remember, it's always a good idea to perform some test transactions afterward. This ensures everything is set up correctly and working smoothly. By doing so, you confirm that your customers will have a seamless and efficient experience when they decide to make a purchase from your store. And there you have it. I'll be back with more helpful guides. But in the meantime, have fun exploring all the possibilities with your enhanced Shopify store.